So here's how you can open a PDF in the Keynote on an iPad. Let's get started. So if you are new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. So if you open up your Keynote as usual, you'll be able to locate the slide where you want to import it or open it, right? And you're going to tap on the image icon, which is right above your presentation part of the editing tools. So just click on there and you'll be able to import your photos, videos as usual, but you can also click on the insert from button, which is indicated by a folder icon. And when you click on this, the Apple Files app is going to be shown as a window, and this lets you select multiple different file types, right? So you can see we have the ability to add some audio, right? But also the PDFs are most definitely possible to be added in here, right? So I can select a random PDF, tap on open, and it will be added to my presentation like that. So it is a resizable, kind of like a picture, even though it's a PDF officially, but I can position it anywhere I want. You can see this is what it looks like, and now I can just add it or work with my presentation the way that I want, right? So it depends on, as you can see, what exactly you want to do, but that's how you can bring it in here. You can also just obviously bump up the size or zoom it in, see plenty of options, but this is how you can open up a PDF within a Keynote on iPad. So let me know in the comments below if you made it work on your device. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you later in the next tutorials as well.